Good morning, students. This is your English grammar class, class 6th, and today we have lesson number 11, present participle to discuss. Dear students, the screen is shown to you is having the front page of the lesson. My dear children, here is the definition of present participle. Let us understand a present participle is a form of the verb ending in ing. Dear students, so it is clear that the present participle has the verb ending in ing. It may combine with the verb to be or to have to form the continuous tense. Dear students, yes. So it is clear to you that the verb having ing is your present participle, and in the uses we can see the combination with the verb to be or to have to form the continuous tense. Let us understand this by the following example. The sun is burning my skin. Here burning is present participle, as in the base form of the verb ing is added. Okay. Then next example, the children had been laughing at the joke. Laughing is the present participle here. In some sentences, a present participle may also perform the work of an adjective. Means sometimes it is for the verb only, and sometimes it is for the work of an adjective. Also it is used. Okay. For example, the burning sun is hurting my skin. The burning sun. Here, dear children, of course, burning, burning is the present participle, but it is placed before sun. Okay, that is why it is doing the work of an adjective in this sentence. Okay, let's understand the next example. Looking at the laughing children, I felt happy. Here, of course, laughing is the present participle, but it is placed before children. Okay, so it describes about children. That is why it is doing the work of an adjective also. Understood? So the same thing is written here in the above sentences. The participles burning and laughing qualify the noun son and children. Therefore, they are doing the work of adjectives. I hope it is clear to you. If you have any doubt, any query, you can ask in the Google Meet class. Thank you. Dear students, now I have some of the examples of present participle. Here the uses with the example is given. Present participle uses as a part of continuous form of a verb. For example, he is reading a book. The next one we have present participle works as an adjective. For example, the smiling girl is my sister. Smiling girl. Okay, that means smiling is present participle and it is doing the work of an adjective. Understood? Now, let us see next. Present participle also works as a gerund. For example, Mary is interested in reading books. Okay, so it is doing the work of a gerund here, reading books. Okay, so next we have after verbs of perception. I saw them crossing the road. Next, with the verbs spend and waste. Don't waste the time playing computer games. Here also playing is the present participle with the verb catch and find. For example, don't let him catch you reading his letters. Okay, so here reading is the present participle for two actions at the same time. Okay, here also it is used. He left the room laughing. So here laughing is the present participle. Understood? So I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.